Apple's iPhone 17 series is inching closer to its big debut, with launch expected next month. While Apple hasn't officially confirmed the rumored September 9th announcement, the leaks just keep pouring in. The latest reveal comes from popular case maker Dbrand, which has gone ahead and listed images of its upcoming tank case for the iPhone 17 Pro, effectively giving us an early look at Apple's next flagship design. The iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max are both getting a refreshed rear camera setup, something we've already seen hinted at in several leaked renders. But when case manufacturers like Dbrand start publishing designs, it usually means they've had access to precise dimensions well ahead of launch. That makes this leak a little more trustworthy compared to the typical concept renders floating online. The case itself is bulky and doesn't showcase every fine detail of Apple's design, since case makers aren't given full stylistic breakdowns. However, what it does confirm is the raised camera island at the top, something that lines up perfectly with earlier leaks. Other visible cutouts include the new camera control button, the action button, the power button, and the usual volume keys. So, while Dbrand's tank case doesn't tell the whole story, it provides enough evidence to back up the new design direction. Meanwhile, another leak making headlines this week comes from the Korean platform Naver. An account known as U11122, which regularly compiles Apple-related rumors, has shared what appear to be internal design images of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The standout detail here is the battery. The leaked images show that Apple might be using a metal-covered battery inside the iPhone 17 Pro Max, something already seen in the iPhone 16 Pro. The benefit of this design is improved heat dissipation, which becomes increasingly important as Apple continues to push performance. Interestingly, two types of batteries are rumored: an L-shaped one for models that still include a physical SIM card tray, and a more rectangular version for eSIM-only variants, such as those sold in the United States. The leaked internal design also shows the expected larger camera bump, the placement of Apple's MagSafe charging system, and the USB-C charging port. So, what do you guys think about the iPhone 17 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.